Good morning, dear students. This is your mathematics class and page number 4. So just see what is given on page number 4. Open your book. Take out page number 4. Here the question is write the following sentences into symbols. Write the following sentences into symbols. Here what is symbols? Here symbols are the sign of greater than, less than and equal. Greater than, less than and equal. Do you know the sign of greater than, less than, equal? Have you studied in your previous classes? Yes, these are the signs. This is the sign of greater than. Greater than means the number which is greater, there this mouth is opened. Okay, that is the sign of greater than. Less than, this is the sign of less than. Okay, the mouth is closed on the side of the number, and equals to, that is the meaning of say, that is the sign of equals to. So here in the first question, 45 is greater than 33. You have to show 45 is greater than 33. So these numbers are written in words. So look here on this page, I am telling you, as it is written 45, 45 spelling is F O R T Y, 45. So how will you write 45, children? 4 5, 45. Okay, is greater than 33, then spelling of 33 is written, no? So what is 33? 33. So 45 is greater than 33, means when you put this sign, it means that 45 is greater number, no? So you have to put this symbol. This is symbol. It is written to write the following sentences into symbol. So this is the symbol. So you have to write this sentence in this symbol form, in this form. 45, then put the sign of greater than. Greater than means 45 is greater number. Now which number is bigger, 45 or 33? The number which comes later, that is 45. Like 33 comes first, no? 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 45 is bigger. Means if you are getting 45 toffees, that is more, or 33 toffees is more? 45 toffees is more, no? So this number is bigger. So what you have to do? You have to open the mouth. We say that this is the fish mouth. हम लोग क्या कहते हैं इसको, कि ये मछली का मुंह है, और जहाँ ज़्यादा देखती है वहीं पे अपना मुंह खोल देती है. ओके, सो दिस नंबर इज ग्रेटर, सो यू हैव टू ओपन द माउथ ऑफ फिश ऑन दैट साइड, बिकॉज फिश सेज दैट आई विल टेक मोर. फिश ये कहती है कि मुझे ज़्यादा चाहिए, तो जहाँ बड़ा नंबर होता है वहीं मुंह खोल देती है. अंडरस्टूड? एंड द अदर साइड इज क्लोज्ड. क्लियर? Then the next number is 92 is less than 99. 92 is less than 99. So how will you write 92? 92 is written in this way and 99 is this way. Now 92 is less than. Less than means this side 99 is bigger, no children? 99 is more. So fish will close their mouth, and this is the sign of less than. This is the sign of less than. Sign or symbol also you can say. That is the sign of less than. Then 92 is less than 99. So what these columns, given columns are there, no? Here blanks are there. So there what you have to do? You have to write like 45 in this blanks. You have to write 45. Then is greater than, this sign you have to put 33. Similarly, here dash are there, no, in the book. 92, you have to write 92. Less than, then you have to close the mouth here. Fish mouth is closed, and 99. Similarly, you have to do the remaining questions also. You have to do it yourself. Otherwise, you will not learn. So, for learning, we have to do the exercise. 2 questions teacher has done. Remaining you have to do. Okay. Now come to the next question of the same page. What is the next question? Here the next question is fill in the blanks. Using this is the symbol. This is the symbol. As I have told now that fish mouth is open where the number is more. So here you can see 48 and 42. So which number is greater, children? How to know that which number is greater? You are small, no? First of all, by counting also, if you know the counting well, you know that 48 comes after 42. आपको पता है 48 जो है 42 के बाद में आता है, इसलिए 48 बड़ा है. इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग डिफ़िकल्टी, अगर आपको मुश्किल हो रही है तो आपको क्या करना है? यू हैव टू कंपेयर दिस 4 and 4, that is which is in tens digit. Tens, you know that number like 48. So this is ones and this is tens. So first of all you have to compare the number which is on tens place, 4 and 4. So that is same. That is same. So we don't know that which is greater. Then you have to compare the number which is given on ones place like 8 and 2. So 8 is bigger or 2, children? 8 is bigger. So what fish is saying? Fish is saying that I will take bigger. So she will open the mouth on the bigger side. Okay, bigger number side. Clear? Now look another number. Again 3 is same. Tens place is same. So you have to compare the numbers 2 and 5. So 2 is bigger or 5? 5 is bigger. So what fish will do? That fish will open the mouth on the 35 number. So you will read it as 32 is less than 35. How to read? 32 is less than 35. Okay. But in third case here 25 and 19. So here 2 is tens place, 2 is only more. So we come to know, easily we know that 2 is more than 1. So 25 is greater. So you will write in this way, 25 is greater than 19. You have to read it as 25 is greater than 19. Understood, children? So you have to complete this exercise in the book. Now one more page is there. Oh, what is that? Here is puzzle. क्या है यहाँ पे? Puzzle है. अब तो puzzle को solve करना पड़ेगा. So what is here? What is asked in the question? Read with the teacher. Do you wish? Read. Do you wish to eat something tasty? So do you want to eat something tasty? आपको कुछ अच्छा अच्छा खाना है. चलो अच्छा खाने के लिए क्या करना है? Arrange the numbers in order from greatest to smallest. So for eating something tasty, what you have to do? You have to arrange these numbers from greatest to smallest. First of all, you have to put out the number which is greatest among all these. आपको क्या करना है? सबसे पहले सबसे बड़ा वाला नंबर उठाना है. So which is the greatest? 89. So one is done for you. That is 89 and the alphabet is S. Here S is written, no children? So you have to write the alphabet S. Now what is next to 89? Just smaller to 89 but greater than other numbers. So what is that? 37, 18, 28, 45, 71? No, 71. Yes, 71. So here you have to write here 71. What do you have to write? 71. Here you have to write 71. Okay. Then which alphabet? In that box you have to write A. Okay. So this way you have to complete them. This like 89, after 89 you have written 71. Then you can tick because these numbers are over. Now you have to compare 37, 18, 28. So what you have to compare first? First of all you compare the tens place. Tens place. 3, 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2. So 6 is next to that. So you have to write next 63. Now 63 is over. So put tick on that and write here alphabet N. Okay. Now what are the remaining numbers? Remaining you have which numbers? 37, 18, 28, 21. So among these four, which one is greater, children? 20, 37. So here you have to write 37 and the alphabet W. Okay. So what are you getting? Something wrong we have done. Where we have done, we left that 45. So here you erase and write here 45, because 45 is next to 63. Put tick here and write D. Okay. So what word you have got? S-A-N-D, sand. Okay. Now 37 is done for you. Then what are the remaining numbers? 18, 28 and 21. So here 1, 2, 2. Then 2, 2 is same. Then you have to see the ones place 8 and 1. 8 is greater than 21. So here you have to write 2, 8, 28 and it is I. Okay. Then what is left? 18 and 21. 18 and 21. Which one is greater? 21 is greater. Here you have to write C. And what is left now? Only 18 is left. So here you have to write 18 and what is left? H. So read this. What is that? Sandwich. Sandwich. Do you like sandwich, children? So that is sandwich. That is the tasty thing which you can get after arranging these numbers in greatest to smallest form. Clear? Now next what you have? So I am erasing this. You have to do it yourself. And next we have cross the numbers that are less than 47. So here what you have to do? You have to put cross on the numbers which are less than 47. So which numbers are less than 47? Less than means 47 se come. So which numbers are less than 47? 37, 16. Then what is less than 20? 58 is less than 47? No, because 5 is more than 4. 5 is more than 4. So it is not less than. And 6 is also more than 4. So these numbers are greater than. These numbers are greater than 47. And what numbers I have crossed? That is the less than. So I hope children you all have understood it. Some questions I have done, but you all have to complete this book page in your book and show it to me. Thank you children.